Hello, IK here. Welcome to Chapter 5, Learn by Doing. Type this HTML script. Here it is. You can stop scrolling where you need and type this script. This is all elements of forms. Open it in a browser. You will see different input elements. Here is a radio button, checkbox, message, Textarea, upload file, volume, pick color, check validation in the HTML checker, and document checking completed. No error or warning to show. Okay, it's all for this video. If you know somebody that need somebody absolute beginner that want to enter in development, in HTML development, tell them about this series of video and series of book. For you, if you like it, if you need, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.